guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this look using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and the Amrezy highlighter. I've been so excited to try these two products, I can't even tell you. My favourite palette so far from Anastasia has been the Modern Renaissance palette for a long time. Since then, I've not come across a palette that really I use as often as that. This one, I can tell you, is going to be my new favourite because the colours are amazing. They're so wearable. Every single shade is wearable. There's not one shade in here that I wouldn't wear. And the pigment is amazing. Plus, there isn't much fallout, which is a plus point. The Amrezy highlighter is just on another level. Firstly, I love Amrezy. I feel like she is the queen of highlighting. Her highlighting is just off the scale. Her skin is amazing. So this highlighter, I feel, really lives up to her style and her makeup style. It goes on effortlessly. There's no fallout. It just glides on. So the Soft Glam palette states that it's basically an everyday to night palette, and it has 14 shades with some matte shades and some glam shimmer shades. I've decided to go for a night look, as you can tell. But some people would wear this during the day. Saying that, now that I've had it on for a while, I could potentially wear this during the day. Anyway, I really hope you like my tutorial, but please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I'm just working the colour into my socket line and just keep blending. By the way, I have been so excited about trying this palette out. I really want to create like a smoky finish to it. I don't want any kind of harsh lines. I'm really obsessed with smoky looks at the moment. I think like the past 3 videos have been smoky, so you can kind of tell. I really do love this colour. I think this is in the other palette as well, Sienna. I don't know, you know when it's a new palette, it just feels like it's a new shade. Let's go onto the other eye. Really easy to blend, by the way. Now I'm using the shade Mulberry. This is a little bit darker. And I'm just taking it right into the crease again, but I'm not going to spread it out as much as I buffed out Sienna. And I'm only taking it along the last half section of my eye. And I'm going to bring it in here. Bringing it into the lash line. And creating like a V shape. I'm going to very lightly drag it out. Just going to buff the edges. It's so pigmented. It's one of those shades where you just want to keep adding and adding because it just gets deeper and deeper. Wow, I do really love this. Okay, let's go to the other side. I have a feeling I'm going to be wearing this palette a lot. I can just tell because I'm really loving these colours. I'm just going to use the other side of the brush. This is the Anastasia brush that came with the palette. I'm using the fluff brush with nothing on it, just to buff the colours into each other. Right. As you know, I usually make this up as I go along. So, what should I use next? I think I'm going to use Sultry, which is the shimmer shade. Well, I don't know how this applies with a brush, so I'm going to try it with a brush. If not, then I'm going to use... Okay, let me just show you what I'm using first. Sometimes I feel like the pressed shimmer shades, which have like a gel-like texture slightly, I feel like they don't glide on with brushes properly, but this one glides on so well with the brush. I have not felt the need to use my finger at all. I'm going to use a small brush to apply this and just glide it on the inner corner of the eye. You honestly need such a small amount because it's quite pigmented. I'm going to use glistening on the inner corners of the eyes. I'm going to use Noir with a flat angled brush, like a really fine one. And I'm going to basically line my lash line because I don't like there to be like a gap after putting my false lashes on. And it doesn't have to be too neat, it can be quite messy because it looks like it's just a smudged lash line then. Don't take it all the way in, I'm just taking it about 3/4 of the way in. And just blend side to side into the lash line. And I'm just going to connect it to where the mulberry shade kind of fades out. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara, and also it has castor oil in it, which is good because that helps your lashes grow. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Feather Noir Mascara now, just for my lower lashes. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. You guys know I use this literally on every YouTube video because I'm obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. Now I'm using the Anastasia matte lipstick in Kiss. I'm now going to use the Anastasia Amrezy palette. I'm super excited about using this because I love Amrezy. I think she's just the realest influencer, whatever you want to call it, out there. Her snaps just make me laugh so much. I love it when she just goes off on one at people. It's just so funny. She just says it how it is and I love it. Okay, so with this, it's an illuminating powder with an ultra smooth formula and radiant finish. So it says here, this is obviously a quote from her, "I live for the perfect glow. It's a constant focus in my makeup routine. I'm always looking for the most luminous glow with a natural second skin finish. This collaboration with ABH brings my highlighter dreams to life, and I'm so happy to share this sun in a compact with my Resi riders." I love it. Right, I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose and everything as well.